Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. I do videos on lifestyle, beauty, travel, not travel right now, but just anything and everything that I like. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, you know the drill. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna like most of my videos, actually all of my videos. So don't forget to subscribe, you're gonna have a good time. Also, if you're not following me on my socials, I'm gonna have my Instagram username here. I'm super active there. I do a lot of mini reviews. I post a lot about what I like. You'll get to know what I do on a daily basis. So if you're interested, follow me on my socials. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box below. That's enough for the intro. We're gonna get on to the video. So today's video is gonna be about my favorite skincare products that are under 500 rupees. A budget-friendly skincare favorite video. You got the gist. In short, every product here is a favorite of mine and it's under 500 rupees. The disclaimer before I start off with the products is skincare is very subjective. What works on me might not work on you. What works on you might not work on me. I'm just going to be showing you my favorite products, and if you like any of those, be sure to do a patch test because skincare is very subjective, differs from skin to skin, person to person. So do a patch test before you completely go on trying it because I cannot guarantee it will work on you. It works on me, I really like it and I want to share it with you guys. I have really dry and dehydrated skin, so all the products that I'm going to show are mostly going to be for dry skin. Some products even oily skin girls can use, but yeah, I just want to say that patch test before you completely go and use the product because skincare is very subjective. With that, we're going to start off with the products. Okay, so we're going to be first starting off with face washes. These two are my absolute favorite face washes and this is what I use even on general. So I'm talking about the Himalaya face wash and the Cetaphil cleanser. So I'm going to be talking about this first. As you can see, it's ew, my nails. Please don't mind, my nails look really ratchet. Don't mind that, just ignore that. This is the Himalaya Neem face wash. I've seen this everywhere, you've heard about this everywhere. It is good for all skin types. I have really dry skin, but it does not dry my skin out. This is a 150 ml tube and it costs 155 rupees. If I'm not wrong, all of the variants that Himalaya Neem face wash has is under 500. Even the biggest jar bottle that they have, like the pump bottle, that is also under 500 rupees. So I think this is a very good budget friendly face wash that will suit every skin type. I think most of you who are watching this must have used this at least once. As you can see, this is completely empty. I think I just have a little bit left here. This is proof enough that I love this. I have a backup. This is the face wash that I use regularly. The other face wash that I was talking about is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Please don't mind that. I really use it a lot. It's always in the washroom, that's the reason. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. This is another face wash you would have heard a lot about. This is the most gentle cleanser I've ever used till date. If you have really sensitive skin, if your skin does not react well with random products, this is your baby. This is extremely gentle. It's pH balanced, which is very important for your skin. It's fragrance free. It's non-comedogenic, which is so important for keeping your acne at bay. It's dermatologically recommended and tested. Every dermatologist, if I'm not wrong, suggests a Cetaphil cleanser because it's that good. It's a 125 ml and this costs 255 rupees. You get different sizes in this. Those are my two favorite face washes under 500. My next favorite skincare products are aloe vera gel. I have two of them and both of them work really well. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about is the Vaseline aloe vera gel. I know, even I didn't know Vaseline had aloe vera gel. Going through body lotions and Vaseline and I saw that Vaseline has an aloe vera gel, and just guess what's the price of this. Just guess, just take a random guess. Just pause the video and comment down below what would be the price of this. I'm just going to give you a second. Okay, it's for 100 rupees. Oh my god, it's for 100 rupees. It's a 150 grams product. Itna bada product. It's just for 100 rupees. Can you believe that? Aisa nahi that it's a bad product and that's why they're selling it for 100 rupees. It's for 100 rupees. It's one of the best, actually the best aloe vera gel I've ever used till date. I use this before I shave my face. I use this after I shave my face. I use this as a sleeping mask. It's really nice. Also, the smell is really soothing. If you're someone who gets really irritated by fragrance, it just has such a soothing smell. I'm going to show you the texture of it. That is how it looks. And it's a really nice formula. It gets absorbed really easily. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's not greasy, it's just perfect. This has become one really important part of my skincare because I use this before I shave my face and also after I shave my face. So yeah, this is the Vaseline Intensive Aloe Vera Gel. It's 150 grams and it's just for 100 rupees. The other aloe vera gel that I'm going to be showing you is the Khadi Mint and Aloe Vera Gel. That is how it looks. It comes in a beautiful tub and it's 100 grams for 195 rupees. That is how the consistency looks. It's clear and it has a minty smell. It also feels really cool when you apply it on your skin. This is a little bit more thicker than the Vaseline one. It has a very cooling sensation when you apply it on your, and it's a very good aloe vera gel. If I had to choose between the Vaseline one and the Khadi one, I would choose the Vaseline one. But nonetheless, this is also a very, very good aloe vera gel. It's a backup. These are my favorite aloe vera gels. They come in a lot of use in different ways. Some of them are under 500 and really, really good quality. Next, I'm going to be talking about moisturizers, and I have to mention my favorite moisturizer, which is Emollient. It's the over-the-counter drugstore moisturizer, and it looks like that. It's a beautiful light blue color packaging. You can get it in any medical store. Emollient cream for dry skin treatment, the hydro nourisher that restores the natural moisture balance, and I cannot agree enough. I love this moisturizer so much. It makes your skin look so glossy. If you're a dry skin girl and a dehydrated skin girl like me, this is going to completely nourish your skin. I love using this. Emollient has been a very hot topic on Instagram, so make sure that you do a patch test before you completely go on to apply it, because what suits me might not suit you. So make sure you do a patch test. This retails for 274 rupees, and I'm going to show you the texture of it. It's fragrance free and it's an amazing moisturizer. That is how the cream looks, and I'm going to massage it all over my hand, and it instantly moisturizes your skin so well. I love this moisturizer so much. It is my favorite moisturizer, has been for a very long time. The next moisturizer I'm going to be talking about is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. This has also been a cult favorite. I saw this first on Malvika Satlani's video and I wanted to try it out, and oh my god, I love it so much. This is a 40-gram tub and it retails for 275 rupees. It's a beautiful thick moisturizer, amazing for dry skin girls, and you can also, and oily skin girls can apply it at night. It makes your skin look really juicy like a glossy donut. It just makes your skin look really good and it moisturizes your skin. The moisture does not go away with time. It stays for at least 4 to 5 hours. It's a very good cream. Again, the smell is so nostalgic. I don't know why I never use this cream. My mom never used this cream, but still it gives me a very nostalgic feeling. It's a very soothing cream, very nice. I love skincare that smells really soothing. That is how the cream looks. It's a very heavy cream. By heavy, I don't mean greasy. It's very nourishing. It's very plumping, and that's how it makes your skin look. It just makes your skin look really healthy. Yeah, this is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. I don't know about the wrinkle properties, but it's a very good moisturizer. Coming to the last moisturizer, this is the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Looks like that. Hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite ingredients because hyaluronic acid helps in retaining the moisturizer. It makes your skin look plump, and as you know, I'm really dehydrated. I have really dry skin. Anything that retains moisture to my skin, I love it. This has ceramide and hyaluronic acid in it. It's a really heavy, thick moisturizer. It's a 100-gram product that retails for 350 rupees. It says it's for normal to dry skin. It's non-comedogenic, which is very good. It has ceramide, mango butter and hyaluronic acid. That sounds so nourishing. Restores dry to very dry skin. As I told you, it's amazing for dry, dehydrated. That is how the cream looks. This is a very heavy moisturizer, so I do not use it in the daytime. I use it at night time. This is how it mixes with the skin. As you can see, it is heavy. It's taking time to get absorbed. It does get absorbed, but it's taking a little bit of time. So you need to massage it really nicely. It's a very nice, thick moisturizing cream because it has mango butter and hyaluronic acid in it. And that is how your skin will look after you apply the moisturizer. And you guys can't literally see how my skin is looking, but I'm just trying to show you how hydrated your skin feels after applying these products. Again, it has a really soothing smell, nothing heavy, nothing headachy. So that is a Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It's a 100-gram tube, retails for 350 rupees, will last for a very long time, perfect for dehydrated dry skin. And yeah, that's how the tube looks. Next, I have an essential oil, which is Nykaa Tea Tree Oil. This is a 10 ml bottle and it retails for 350 rupees. Concentrated essential oil comes with a dropper, which is very nice. So what I use this for is, I don't have acne, like I don't have a cluster of pimples together, but I do get zits. I do get a lot of zits on my forehead and near my lips. Time to time I get my zits depending on how I'm eating and all of that. So every time I get a zit, I just take a little bit like that and I just spot correct my zit. That's it. And I leave it overnight and my pimple gets fine in 2 to 3 days. So I think it's a really good spot treatment. Now I know we also have pimple patches and all of that in the market, but I have never used that, so I have to try that. I use this for spot correcting. Tea tree oil has always been known to treat acne and pimples. Yeah, that's the Nykaa tea tree oil, retails for 350 rupees. Last but not the least is the most expensive product out of all, is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now this retails for 500 rupees, but hear me out. It's the best lip balm I've ever used till date. This is the smaller size that is available and this retails for 500 rupees. It is so moisturizing, it's so nourishing. Once you try this, it will be hard to go back to your other lip balms. According to me, it's worth the 500 rupees. You have to try it to know it. Light pink in color and it smells of delicious berries. And it's a really thick formula, as you can see. Can you see that? It's such a thick formula. It covers your whole lip. I use it all the time and it has lasted so long. Give it a try. I know it's for 500 rupees. Putting 500 rupees in a lip balm seems crazy, but it's gonna last you a really long time, even if you apply it all the time. I know even I apply lip balm a lot. It's really nice and it's my favorite lip balm. And that brings us to the end of the video. Those are all of my favorite skincare products under 500. They work beautifully for me. Hopefully they work beautifully for you. Do a patch test before you go all ham with it. I have dry, dehydrated skin and they work beautifully for me. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.